trying so hard to get those toes. Come on, boy, get him. Oh, that sounded like a calling to the dogs. To these guys. Hey, you two. Your brother's trying to do something impressive. You're ruining it. Yeah, he's entertained by it. Slinky. Slink. Be nice to your brother. Jeez. What a bad dog. He almost had his toes. Almost. He laughed at that. You laughing at those doggies? Yeah. He's making doggy noises. Okay, we gotta finish getting ready for dance class, huh? Oh, get those toes. Get those toes, bud. Get them. You can do it. Grab them. You can grab them. Oh, you're trying to sit up too, huh? I can see you trying to pull up off of there. Oh my goodness. He's so silly. Almost 4 months old. Trying to sit up. Just rolled over today. For the first time on his own. Huh, no assisted rolling. And then toes. Trying to grab those toes. So many milestones all in one day. Slow down, Bubba. Say bye. Love you guys.